The satire formed the major part of the writing of the Victorian age. We had Dryden, we had Pope writing political and social satires, and the satire was an art or the style of poetry which was intriguing and a little difficult to comprehend. Now, it was not a poetic form in its literary device, but it could be used in a form or a situation, not necessarily in a poem, a novel, or a drama. The subject matter can be single, individual, a type of person or entire society or age or even mankind, or it can be taken as an expression of an idea. The satirist tries to make the subject look ridiculous. It evokes amusement, contempt, or scorn. It creates a feeling of jibe and ridicule. But the questions asked are not same as comedy, where laughter is an end in itself. Whereas in satire, laughter is used as a weapon. This is the difference between the comedy and a satire. Laughter is used as a weapon to humiliate, to ridicule, to mock the subject of the satire. It's an instrument or tool. The aim is to expose the weaknesses of human beings and human society with an aim to bring about some kind of improvement in them, a reform or moral lesson. At the end, there is some amendment of vices by correction. It implies a certain normal set of norms, rules of behavior, moral, ethical, social norms must be shared between the writer and the reader. Now, satires are not in the same degree of rejection. They are very gentle, mild criticism of a thing or an absolute condemnation. The subject is treated with absolute contempt. The major satirists of the English literature were Pope, Dryden, and Byron. Now, Pope's Absalom and Ahitophel, the famous political satire, Pope's Rape of the Lock, the social satire about the eccentricities of the Victorian women are great examples of satire in English literature.